Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a deep look at the LG WCEP6423F Smart Double Wall Oven, which is a 30-inch electric combination oven loaded with air fry, convection, cooking and the Wi-Fi connectivity. So if you are thinking about upgrading your kitchen, so make sure that you check out the product link in the description box below for the full details and the current availability. So let's start with the capacity and the layout. So this particular oven offers a total of 6.4 cubic feet of cooking space. The upper section is a 1.7 cu feet microwave with the convection capability, while the lower section is a 4.7 cu feet true convection oven. That means you are essentially getting two ovens in one, giving you serious flexibility when cooking multiple dishes at the same time. Now, one of the biggest highlights here is the built-in air fry technology. Instead of cluttering your counter with another appliance, this oven allows you to cook crispy foods using the powerful hot air circulation with less oil. When it comes to cleaning, LG includes both easy clean and self clean modes. Easy clean is perfect for the light everyday messes and only takes a short time, while the self clean uses the high heat for the deeper grime. Having both the options makes maintenance much more convenient. So if I talk about some of the other small features, so with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with the LG ThinQ application, you can preheat, adjust the temperatures, monitor the cooking progress, and receive the notifications directly from your smartphone. Plus, LG provides you the firmware updates, meaning the oven can stay optimized over time. So overall, the LG WCEP6423F delivers a strong combination of smart technology, versatility, and solid build quality. So if you want an oven that replaces multiple appliances while fitting into a modern small kitchen, this is definitely worth considering. So to explore it, you can check out the product link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.